Welcome, I'm Dr. Seth Rosenzweig, board-certified orthopedic surgeon, part of Louisiana Orthopedic Specialist, Acadiana's leader in orthopedics, spine, and sports medicine. We're also proud sponsors and supporters of the Acadiana local high schools and the University of Louisiana. This video will demonstrate to you the treatment of a common sports injury, the expertise needed to treat it surgically, and the successful recovery once completed. This is a distal biceps tear case. Typically you see these between the ages of about 40 to 60. It's usually not anything too exciting story-wise. A lot of times it's trying to help move a couch or a TV, and in his case, very something similar. The tendon's attached here. It tears off the bone, and in his case, rolls up, and what I tell them is like a fruit roll-up, and it's up here. So we're gonna go find the tendon here, deliver it out, and then tunnel it back and reattach it to the bone. Typically, you can find the tendon, and his is about 6 centimeters, so I'm gonna start right here and just make about a 1 centimeter incision. Let me get something to spread with. And we're just gonna go through the sub-Q tissue. So I'm just spreading, and you can see I've got a little fluid. This is some of the blood and some of what we call the hematoma. So we know I'm kind of into the right spot. So let me find the tendon and I'll bring it out for us. So this is a bodybuilder, ruptured this yesterday. So when I do these, I like to do a safety incision here because most of the time it's back here. And very much in his case, it had rolled up, and we knew on ultrasound it was here. So when I delivered it, I took the ruler. This is the biggest tendon I've ever done in a human. This is the size of an Achilles. It's 27 millimeters across. Most of these are anywhere from 8 to 15. So bodybuilder, lots of hypertrophy, synovitis. I've already used my key elevator. We've got great excursion. This is where the tuberosity is. So I'm gonna trim some of this down. We'll get a little bit more excursion, but we should be able to get a good direct repair, and you can see the hemorrhage there. So at this point, a little incision. I split the fascia of my brachialis, and then I'm right on top of the bone essentially. So I have a retractor around part of what we call the radial tuberosity, and it's a deep hole, so you may not be able to see. She's keeping my thumb down, which pushes one of the nerves out of the way. And now I'm gonna shuttle this back through the skin underneath in its tunnel, and we're gonna make a little hole there, and we'll take some more shots as we go. So I like my pin spot, so now we're gonna drill a blind socket to stuff this tendon in. All right, let's do a little irrigation to cool down our drill. And this drill is cannulated so it can go over this pin. Let me make sure I'm in there good. Perfect. And we're gonna take a quick shot of that and see if we like that hole. So we've shuttled it now back through. You can see it coming here, but it's actually gonna dive down to the hole I just drilled. So that's what we're about to do. Okay. So I've put a button on the ends of the strings, and this is like a grappling hook. I'm gonna put it through the bone to the far side, and the button's gonna flip and catch like a grappling hook. And then I've put this Boy Scout type knot in, and so I'm gonna walk, walk, walk. And sometimes if the tension's too much, we're gonna bend up the arm like this, hold it right there to take some tension off, and it goes right in. Very nice. So what we're gonna do now is I'll sew a knot so it won't slide anymore. So we've got this screw now, and it's just a backup fixation. And I'm gonna screw it into the hole with the tendon to squish it in there so that it really can't slip out, even if it wants to. Perfect. All right, all done. All right. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel to watch more of my videos. If you have joint pain or a sports-related injury, I'm here to help. I want to help you live your life to its fullest.